This video teaches you how to use the ibi ODBC connector from Microsoft Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your desktop. Click the Data tab and select Get Data. From the Get Data drop-down list, select from Other Sources and select from ODBC. From the Data Source Name drop-down list, select the data source. For example, Data. Optionally, you can issue your own SQL statement by clicking Advanced Options and using the data source in an SQL statement. Click OK. If you are prompted for credentials, type your username and password and click Connect. Excel caches your user ID and password. After the first time you enter your credentials, you will not be prompted again. From the Navigator pane, select the application directory you want to use. For example, ibi SAMP. From the application directory, select the table or tables you want to use. For example, select DMINV and click Load. You can now create a visualization using Excel. Select the product name, quantity in stock, and cost columns. Select the Insert tab. Now select a chart type. For example, the clustered column line on secondary axis chart. It is time to let your BI platform do what it does best. Let your BI platform create dashboards and let ibi Open Visualizations do the rest. To learn more, visit the Web Focus Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.